Hello everyone, want to use your Android camera as a measurement tool? Here's how to do that. So first of all, open up your Play Store, press search, let's hit our search tab and let's search for measuring tool app. Measurement app. So there we are, we can see different options. I'm gonna be using AR Ruler app. I think this is the most accurate and best working one. So press install, give it some time to be installed, and let's open it up as it is installed. Great, press open. So you'll be prompted to buy subscription. You cannot do this. Let's tap on this cross icon, simply close it. This application is free and you can use it for free. However, with some amount of advertisements. Press continue. As you see, advertisement 1. There will be more on the way, so be prepared for it. Let's skip it. Now give all the necessary permissions. The only permission which we need to give is camera, I believe. Okay, good. So there is a little hint for us how to do all of that. I'm going to be measuring this little notebook. So you need to put it a little bit above so it will start working properly. And simply give it some time to detect everything. Great, it did. Now let's tap on this plus. Prior to that, beforehand, make sure to choose the right tool. So this is the right tool, line and height. Now locate the edge of your object, tap plus, and simply bring your phone to another edge. Tap plus again. So we can measure it more, or we can just leave like this, and we can see that the length of this object is 20 centimeters. So basically that's how it works, and you can do this with many objects. It even supports 3D working, so you can make it a full scale from width and lengths, but I recommend you to go through it and to experiment and try it out yourself. Also, there are many different tools available, so it's only up to you to explore. I really hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.